Entanglement is a unique quantum correlation between particles at the atomic level, a phenomenon that defies classical physics but explains the large-scale behavior of quantum systems. Understanding entanglement is crucial for grasping how information is stored and processed in quantum systems, which could revolutionize our understanding of these processes. Qubits, or quantum bits, form the foundation of quantum computing. However, creating specific entangled states in systems with many qubits is a significant challenge. Additionally, the variety of entangled states makes distinguishing them difficult. Recently, MIT researchers have developed a technique to efficiently generate entanglement among superconducting qubits exhibiting specific behaviors. The Engineering Quantum Systems (EQS) group at MIT has refined methods using microwave technology to precisely control a quantum processor made of superconducting circuits. These methods allow the processor to efficiently generate highly entangled states and transition between different types of entanglement, including those that enhance quantum speedup and those that do not. We are demonstrating that emerging quantum processors can be used to deepen our understanding of physics. While our experiments are still within the simulation capabilities of classical computers, we have a clear path to scale this technology beyond those limits, says Amir H. Karimloo, the lead author of the study. William D. Oliver, a professor of electrical engineering, computer science, and physics at MIT, and director of the Center for Quantum Engineering, co-authored the paper. The team also includes Jeff Grover, Elon Rosen, and other researchers from MIT, Lincoln Laboratory, Wellesley College, and the University of Maryland. Their research is published in Nature. Assessing entanglement. In large quantum systems with many qubits, entanglement can be viewed as the quantum information shared between a subsystem of qubits and the larger system. Entanglement can be categorized as area law or volume law, depending on how this shared information scales with the subsystem's geometry. In volume law entanglement, the entanglement grows proportionally with the subsystem's size. In contrast, area law entanglement grows along the boundary between the subsystem and the larger system. Volume law entanglement is theoretically linked to the power of quantum computing. While we haven't fully understood the role of entanglement in quantum algorithms, we know that generating volume law entanglement is key to achieving quantum advantage, says Oliver. However, volume law entanglement is more complex and difficult to simulate on classical computers. As the complexity of a quantum system increases, it becomes harder to simulate with conventional computers. For instance, fully tracking a system with 80 qubits requires more information than humanity has ever stored, Karimloo explains. The researchers created a quantum processor and control protocol to efficiently generate and study both types of entanglement. Their processor uses superconducting circuits to create artificial atoms, or qubits, which can be controlled with high accuracy using microwave signals. The experiment involved a device with 16 qubits arranged in a two-dimensional grid. By tuning the processor so that all qubits had the same transition frequency and applying a microwave drive, the researchers generated quantum states with volume law entanglement. Adjusting the microwave frequency resulted in states with area law entanglement. Careful control. This experiment showcases the capabilities of superconducting quantum processors. We use the processor as both an analog simulation device and a digital computing device to measure entanglement scaling, says Rosen. The team invested years in developing the infrastructure around the quantum processor, enabling precise control. By demonstrating the transition from volume law to area law entanglement, the researchers confirmed theoretical predictions. This method can also determine whether entanglement in a generic quantum processor is area law or volume law. The MIT experiment highlights the distinction between area law and volume law entanglement in two-dimensional quantum simulations using superconducting qubits. This complements our work on entanglement Hamiltonian tomography with trapped ions, says Peter Zoller, a professor of theoretical physics at the University of Innsbruck. Quantifying entanglement in large quantum systems is challenging for classical computers, but an area where quantum simulation excels, says Pedram Rushan of Google. Using a 2D array of superconducting qubits, Karimloo and colleagues measured entanglement entropy, revealing crossover behavior as the system's quantum state energy is tuned. This demonstrates the unique insights quantum simulators can offer. In the future, this technique could help study the thermodynamic behavior of complex quantum systems, which is too intricate for current analytical methods and beyond the capabilities of the world's most powerful supercomputers. The study's co-authors include Sarah E. Mashinsky, Cora N. Barrett, Agustin D. Paulo, Leon Ding, Patrick M. Harrington, Max Hayes, Rabindra Das, David K. Kim, Bethany M. Nijielski, Megan Schult, Kyle Cerniak, Molly E. Schwartz, Jonalyn L. Yoder, Simon Gustafsson, and Yariv Yanay. This research is supported by the U.S. Department of Energy, DARPA, the U.S. Army Research Office, the National Science Foundation, the STC Center for Integrated Quantum Materials, the Wellesley College Samuel and Hilda Leavitt Fellowship, NASA, and the Oak Ridge Institute for Science and Education.